Today we're going to look at some word problems involving piecewise functions, and then you'll just have lots of work time to practice piecewise functions and get better at them. The admission rates at an amusement park are as follows. Children 5 and under are free. Children over 5 and up to and including 12 years are $5. Children over 12 years and up to and including 18 years are $12, and the adults are $18. Write a piecewise function that gives admission price for a given age. I'm going to call this function P of X because P could mean price. And then we draw this little bracket thingy, and that bracket thingy contains all of the functions that we're going to write in the piecewise function. Okay, free. How do I write free? What's a number that means free? 0. So the price is going to be 0 when we have to write some sort of statement about the age of the child. Children 5 and under. So X is the age of the child. X needs to be less than 5. Is it less than 5 or less than and equal to 5? Less than or equal to 5, because it says children 5 and under, so that means including the age of 5. Next up, we have $5. So $5, that is for children over 5, so that means X has to be bigger than 5. Up to and including 12 years. So 5 is the starting age, less than X, less than or equal to 12. X has to be in between the ages of 5 and 12. 5 was included up here in our first one, so 5 can't be included in the next one. That's why this one is just a less than, not a less than or equal to. Okay, the next one, $12. Anyone want to be brave and write the inequality for this one? Nobody wants to be brave because I'm recording. They're like scared that their voice will be heard on this recording. 12, which symbol? I can't do less than or equal to because equal to is included with 12 on the green step. So less than X, less than or equal to 18, from the ages of 12 to 18. And adults are $18. So $18 when the age is greater than 18. A gift shop sells pewter mugs for $35. They are currently running an engraving promotion. The first 6 letters are engraved for free. Each additional letter costs 20 cents. Write a piecewise model that gives the price of the, is that supposed to say mug? Definitely says much. Gives the price of the mug with X engraved letters. So, what is, I'm gonna use P of X again, I think. How much does, so it does this every time I record, that's cool. How much does the mug cost? $35. So you are going to spend $35 on this mug. You get the first 6 letters engraved for free. So if X is your number of engraved letters, if X is less than or equal to 6 letters, then you just pay $35. You get those 6 letters for free. Okay. Then we're going to have $35 for the mug plus, this next part is the kind of weird part. I'm just going to move this over a little bit. Okay. The 7th letter is going to cost 20 cents. The 8th letter is going to cost another 20 cents. So if there's 8 letters, it's going to cost 40 cents, and so on and so on. So you really want to do 0.2, so 20 cents, times the number of letters more than 6. So take X, subtract away the 6 letters that you got for free, and whatever's left is how many letters you're going to be charged 20 cents for. This is when your number of letters is larger than 6. Now that we have the piecewise function written, what is the price of a mug with the name Mary Ellen Gilmore engraved on it? I wonder where I got that name from. So take a moment, pause the video, calculate out how much would that mug be. 16 letters is definitely more than 6, so we're using the bottom piece of the function. 35 plus 0.02 times 16 minus 6. If you subtract out those 6 free letters, you have 10 letters that you're actually paying for, so it would be $37. A company pays its employees a combination of salary and commission. Okay, honestly, no. No, I'm not feeling it, so we're just not going to do that one. Is that okay? Yeah. You cool with that? All right. Work on 2.7, worksheet B, I believe it's called. I'll be passing that out in a second.